Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl simply amazing. If you're new here, welcome. Take a minute, go down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Let's get on into today's video. So guys, as you can see, I already did one eye off camera. Reason being, I didn't know what kind of look I was going for, and I wanted to switch up my palettes a bit because it kinda repetitive. Is like every tutorial I'm coming with the one palette. I love that palette so much, but I decided to switch it up a bit. I'm saying what palettes I can use today. So I opted, I took out three palettes. I took out the Juvia's Warrior 3, I took out the ZULU palette, and I took out the Juvia's Nomad palette. I didn't use the Nomad palette, I used the Warrior 3 and the ZULU palettes to create this look, and I use a blue liquid liner from City Color. Yeah, from City Color, and the shade is Blueberry. So oops, sorry about that. So yeah guys, I'm not going to be talking through the video. I'm just going to let you guys see what I'm doing. That's why I tell you guys the palette I'll use. But anyways, I want to give you guys a detailed eyebrow tutorial because a couple people DM me and say they want an eyebrow tutorial. But the thing is, if some eyebrow come out nice today, it's not every day your eyebrow come out nice. No matter how long you do it, how long you practice, it's not every day your eyebrow come out nice. So I don't want to promise you guys that I'm going to give you a detailed tutorial, but I'm going to film one throughout the course of the week. I'll try to film one and get it back as nice as this, because Okay guys, so I catch up my hair, I pull out my hair and comb it, and I catch up my hair, I add some little bit of jewelry, I change my top, so y'all know this is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Well, I know I'm not gonna enjoy the video because I'm party me that keep. I don't know I'm gonna go on so far, you know, but anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you guys like this look, if you guys loved this look, remember to give me a big thumbs up, leave a suggestion in the comment section down below, and share with a friend who bored in quarantine. Share with a friend and say check out Simply Amazing tutorials. And on that note, I see you guys in the next video. Until then, go and be good for yourself.